Okay, so we built also in this same house, we built this ADA ramp. It used to be a set of steps here, but now it's an ADA ramp. And we made a little turn here, and now goes down. It used to be a 2-step ramp. You could see, well, 3 steps. Well, if you're going up, you've got to step up twice, but you could see down there, it was 2 steps. And then in the back, we added another ramp at the new door opening that we got. Let me pause the video and go back there to show you what we done. So there used to be a doorway right here. We closed that doorway up. This was the doorway to the back house right here in this area. We closed that up. As you notice, the paint is a little newer than the old paint. The house needs a new coat of paint. Anyhow, we took that door out so we could make that bedroom, or make the living room into a new bedroom, and convert the kitchen into the kitchenette into a bathroom. And the door got moved to the back. So let me go back there. So back here is the new doorway that got added in. There used to be a window right here. We took the window out and it became a new door, and put another small little ramp out here to the backyard. So that's what we did here. Okay. So 2 ADA ramps, 3 new windows, a couple new walls, a bunch of new doors, a new hallway, new toilet location, new bath location, and a vanity, and all the other stuff I showed you. So that's what we got at this house. Thanks for watching. If you need any work done, 503-877-1198. Give me a call. Have a great day. Bye.